folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Listen, stop working for a second right now, because what I'm going to show you is a way that you can stop working, copy and paste what I'm about to show you here to make over $7,000. If you don't mind, smash the like button if you prefer. I don't edit the video. I'm not going to edit this video. This is just me talking. You're listening very closely here, because this method is brand new, 2022, to make money online by copying and pasting using this very unique strategy that anybody can do, even you, big head. So listen, sub to the channel, like Wes, and always remember this. Tattoo these words in the back of your brain. I can do this now. Gotta believe that you can do this. Pay attention, don't skip. Just take your time, watch every word, every visual that I'm going to show you, because it's very quick. You can pause, but I'm going to show you how to do this very quickly here. So the first site you have to go to is basic SEO clerks. Now, you've probably seen this before, but many YouTubers that do sites and videos about this, they're doing it all wrong, because a lot of the information is outdated. Does that make sense? You're not making any money. You do it, you make $0. But what I'm going to show you something that I am currently using, and this is what I'm using in a lot of my different courses that I'm teaching people, because what I do is I show them how to do this. They pay me money and they make money as well. But I want to give you this for free so I can get you making money so you can leave your job. Smash the like button if you want to leave your job right now. You're sick and tired of that boss, you want to kick your boss in the butt. So check it out. You go to content writing, and listen, you don't have to write nothing. I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I gotta write? No, I don't want to write nothing. No, you don't have to write nothing. Understand, the internet and technology now and AI is so different now. It makes it so easy to make money online, but most people don't listen to the very end. Most people don't open their mind and understand they're moving too fast, or they're modeling the wrong person here, okay? So you go to content writing here, and all you want to do is this. You want to go to sort here and go down to ratings. And I'm going to show you how to get traffic. Don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to rank on SEO clerks very quickly here. I've had a ton of people that are paid clients do this over and over again from the ages 18 to 55, okay? So check it out. So you see this right here? You see this post right here? You want to click on this. Why? Because all you want to do is model this. So when you click the word join, for free by the way, you're going to copy and model everything that this guy's doing. Let me tell you why. Because the SEO clerk algorithm, it works in your favor. You see what he does here? What's included? Copy that. Tags, copy that. You want to do everything this person is doing. So when people search on the site right now, 1,000 people per day searches article writing, okay? And like I said before, you don't have to write anything. This is a very streamless process, and if you do this right now, you'll be very happy by the end of this video here, okay? So you just model this. You can put 1,000 words, 2,000 words, it's up to you. $7, you can put $6, and as you can see here, this person has already earned over $7,000 here, okay? Isn't it insane? $7,000. 1,000 people already ordered his product, maybe because he watched a Wesley Virgin video. I'm not sure, okay? So check it out. Once you do that, you can do $5 to be competitive, right? Because people are always looking for cheap stuff. So once you do that, you join the site for free. I'm not going to go through that because that's easy. Hit the join button, username, email, password, you're done, you're in. Listen, now the next site is writesonic.com. Please write that down right now. writesonic.com. Like I said before, just like Elon Musk, it's just so much automated intelligence right now that you don't have to do any work, honestly. I mean, you know, I know you want to work, but you don't have to work that hard. Listen, work hard one time and get paid for the rest of your life. Smash the like button if that's what you want to do. Well, that's what I wanted to do when I was broke, okay? I wanted to make money on autopilot. I wanted to make money and travel the world, and I do that now by doing stuff like this. So you want to click on AI article and blog writer. Very simple. This is new here. Make sure you use this. Don't use 2.0. Don't use Sonic Editor. You have to use AI article 3.0 for this to work faster here. And then once you click on that, as you can see here, you can basically click on here. Let me exit this out here. And whatever the topic is, so say when someone buys something from SEO Clerks, say they want a weight loss article. So you just type in weight loss. See, I'm not doing any work, just a little bit. I'm laying down. You're laying down. Smash the like button if you're laying down right now. I'm curious. Generate ideas, okay? Easy, right? And this is going to do it all for you. See these articles that have already been written, and you just download it and you just deliver it to the person. And what I like to do, I get a person on Fiverr.com to do it for me, right? Because once you get used to it, today you're going to do this, and once you get used to it, you just do it over and over again, okay? Are you with me? So listen. And your next question is, okay, Wesley, how do I do this right now and get people gravitating to my website? Listen, when you model this guy's post, automatically you're going to start ranking. And you can also go to facebook.com. I like to do this. It's easy. It's very simple to do. You go to groups here, okay, and you just go to content writing here. And what you're going to do is, it's so many groups, so many people that are looking for people like you to make money. Okay, so use this. Join all these groups and say, hey, I'm doing free content writing. You say the word free. They come to you and you give them a free one first from here. They love it. Then they're going to buy from you on SEO Clerks. You see what I'm doing here? Smash the like button if you're going to do this right now. Now listen, I have a link in the description below. Many people are talking about this Dotcoin. I don't know if you heard about it, but I always want to give you guys up to date on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Listen, there's a bot right now. If you put $5, you will make $500 in 24 hours. If you don't believe me, it's cool. But the link is in the description under this video below. And right now, I'm making a ton of money. I don't know how long it's going to work, but the software is an AI bot. And many people, billionaires, have put their stamp of approval to get it now. Just go to the description. I think it's wesleyvirgin.com/dot. The dot is making a ton of money. So do this right now. Love you guys. The link is in the description under this video. If you want to take $5 and make $500 right now, in the comment section, say, Wesley, you're the man. So this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Much love. Let's go.